guess what? I just got my May Keto Krate and I'm super duper excited to show you guys what I got. So first of all, if you're new to my channel, I'm a personal trainer, I'm a keto coach, a nutrition coach, and I post tons of keto related videos, nutrition videos, and tons of follow along beginner friendly workouts. So if that's something that you're interested in, consider subscribing to my channel by clicking the button somewhere over here, okay? And make sure you hit that notification bell too. All right guys, so super duper excited about Keto Krate. So if you don't know what Keto Krate is, it is a monthly keto subscription, okay? So they send you really good keto approved snacks right to your door every month, okay? You don't have to be looking through stores and standing in line. And you don't have to worry about if the products are actually keto friendly. Everything in this box is curated and is keto friendly. It doesn't have any maltodextrin or dextrose, no maltose, none of that stuff. So these are perfectly safe to have on your keto diet. And guess what guys, I have a special discount code for you guys. So if you guys do join, if you use my discount code, you actually get $10 off of your first box, okay? $10 off your first box. And also you can use my discount code DejaFitBeauty for $10 off as well. So enough of that, I'm super duper excited to see what's in this box. So let's get it going. This is called Good Fats Chewy Nutty Coconut Macadamia Nut Bar. Feels like it's kind of soft, you know, it might be a nice little snack. Let's look at the macros though. Let's look at the macros. Let's see. So for this whole bar, it's about 190 calories and only, let me see, it's 15 total carbs, but there's 11 grams of fiber. It's only 1 gram of sugar. So I think it's 4 net carbs in this bar. I can't count. It's like 4 or 5, y'all. So it looks like it's gonna be good though. I love macadamia nut. Anything macadamia nut, I love it. So I'm definitely gonna be eating this. Good to go. Strawberry macadamia nut soft baked bar. 2 grams of sugar, 4 net carbs, 7 grams of fiber, guys. So lots of macadamia nut stuff. If you like macadamia nut, you're gonna love this box. So it says keto certified on it. Has like a little thing that says keto certified, so I'm assuming there's some sort of keto certification process going on here. Let's see, it's sweetened with inulin and erythritol, which are both keto friendly. It looks like it has macadamia nuts, it has apple cider vinegar, chia seeds, strawberries, natural flavor, sea salt, baking soda. So pretty much it seems like most of these ingredients in here are very natural ingredients. So I don't see a lot of crazy stuff that I can't pronounce. Like all this stuff looks pretty natural, except for the last ingredient, mixed tofu. I don't know what that is, but it says to preserve freshness. But other than that, everything in here looks pretty natural. Probably tastes good too. I'm trying to squeeze it a little bit and it feels really soft. And it feels like it's like 3 individual pieces in here. So it seems like it's gonna be like a little bite-sized things. But this whole thing, this whole package has 170 calories, 14 grams of fat, and like I said, 4 net carbs. So y'all, these are really good. I actually just bought some of these on Amazon and it literally came like the day before this came, but I actually buy this on the regular. They have different flavors. They have nacho cheddar, they have a strawberry type of flavor, and it has like a jalapeno cheddar type of flavor. So if you like trail mix, you're gonna love this. Pretty much it's like cheese. It's like a little cheese ball. It has almonds and pecans and it's cheddar flavored. The one that has the strawberry, it actually has dried strawberries in it, and it just gives you like a little tinge of sweetness. It's not like sweet. They don't add any sugar to it. It's just dried strawberries, and the combination just tastes so good. I don't know how the cheese and strawberries taste good, but the combination tastes really good. But this is really good. I can't wait to try this. I haven't tried the nacho cheddar flavor. I always get the strawberry flavor, so I'm looking forward to trying this out. This looks like munchy crunchy protein snack in the flavor Rocking Ranch. Okay, it says nut free, gluten free, only 4 net carbs. So what's in it if it's nut free? Hold up. So it looks like it has 11 total carbs and 7 grams of fiber, which puts you at what, 4 net carbs, I guess? Yeah, I can't count like I said. So what's in here is soybeans, edamame, ranch seasoning, onion powder, yeast extract, vinegar. So pretty much it's just soybeans and edamame season here. And I do like edamame. I've never really had soybeans. I'm not a big soy person. Oops. But I love me some edamame. So, and it's ranch, anything flavored ranch. I love it. So, if y'all never heard of Fat Snacks, y'all, Fat Snacks is the bomb. They make cookies, and this is a brownie. So I've never had the brownie though. But like, it's really small, y'all. So don't get your hopes up. But it's really small. But usually they come in packs of like 2 or 3, I think. This is like, look like a sample size of like the brownie. But their cookies taste really good. They're not gonna taste like regular cookies. So if you're looking for that Toll House chewiness, it's not gonna be there. But it is somewhat soft. It just doesn't have that. It's not gonna give you that chewy taste of a cookie that you want. But however, when you've been keto for a while, it hits the spot. And this brownie feels really soft too. I don't want to try it now. Whatever, let's try it now. Let's see how it tastes. Oh, first of all, before I open it, it has 0.3 net carbs in one of these. So pretty much less than 1 carb in this little brownie. The brownie is this big. It's not that big. Like I said, it's not that big. But this is more so like a nice little treat. It's not to fill you up, you know. It's really soft. I didn't expect it to be that soft. Y'all, it tastes good. What's in here? Almond blend, allulose, eggs, butter, organic palm fruit oil, water, chocolate chips, erythritol, cocoa butter, cereal. I mean, I don't know how they got it to taste so soft and be keto, but it's good. Oh my God. Another good product that I buy on the regular is the High Key Brownie Bites. So these brownie bites taste more like cookies, okay? So they're not chewy like the ones that I just had. These taste just like brownie cookies. So they're kind of crispy. But still, they taste really, really good, y'all. It's called High Key Brownie Bites. So if you're looking for these, it's called High Key. They make chocolate chip cookies. They have snickerdoodle cookie. And they also have granola too, and their granola is really good. They have a keto granola that I use sometimes in my yogurt and stuff. You can actually eat it as like a cereal. They also have keto oatmeal. Now, I couldn't really get into the keto oatmeal. I really tried to like the keto oatmeal, but I just couldn't get into it. But they do have it, and some people love it. I personally didn't like it. But the cookies though, the cookies on point, like honestly. So this is something that I buy on the regular. So this is good. In this box, it only has 2 meat products. So someone who's out there who's like, I want to do the subscription, but I don't want to have a whole lot of meat. The only meat products in here is this meat stick and these pork rinds. So hey, but you get all the other stuff. It's still worth it to me. But the meat stick, I'm not a too big meat stick person. I mean, I do like a Slim Jim every now and then, but this is called Meats. I don't know how to pronounce this, but it's called Mission Meats. The brand is called Mission Meats. It's made with 100% grass-fed beef. It looks like all natural ingredients are in here. It looks like it's in another language too, so it might be from another country. I don't see any nutritional stuff on here other than the ingredients though. It's a beef stick, probably no carbs. I don't think they added any sugar in it. So if you like beef sticks, all natural, give this a shot. I'm gonna eat it. I'm just not a big fan. I don't buy them all the time, but hey, this Keto Krate gives you the opportunity to just try stuff and just see if you like it, and if you don't like it, now you know not to buy it. And then we have some pork rinds. Now, pork rinds is something that I really do like. However, these are, I think these are dill flavored pork rinds. Spicy dill, which I'm thinking is, I don't know if that's like dill pickles. I don't know. But these are spicy dill flavored pork rinds, fried in sunflower oil, 1 gram of carb per serving, and there's 4 servings in the bag. So pretty much if you eat the whole bag, 4 carbs, okay? All right. Okay, dill flavored pork rinds. Let's see how this is gonna taste. Okay. I mean, they don't taste bad. It's like a really light flavor. It's not like a really overpowering flavor. But look, this next product, I'm super duper excited about trying this because I used to love marshmallows as a kid, and I haven't had a marshmallow in years because they have so much sugar in it, and it's not keto. So these are sugar-free marshmallows. Sugar-free Max Malin Classic Vanilla marshmallows. And it has collagen and MCT oil in the marshmallows, guys. Let's see. Ooh, I can smell the vanilla from here. It's like a really strong vanilla. Like as soon as I opened the bag, it was like whoosh, vanilla. Okay. Yum. Oh my god. These taste just like regular marshmallows. This is something that's it's not like necessary to buy on keto. It's like more so like, I guess if you're making keto hot cocoa or something, or you want to make a keto s'more, I don't know. It tastes really good, y'all. Like it could be like a little something, like if you want something sweet real quick, just pop one of these in your mouth. Okay, it has 5 grams of carbs and it has 2 grams of fiber, so, and then it has 4 net carbs. I mean 4 sugar alcohol. So really it's 0 carbs, I guess. Yeah, because what, it's 5 carbs and it's 4 sugar alcohol and 2 fiber. So if I'm not mistaken, that's -1, right? I mean, I ain't tripping, right? So 2 marshmallows equal 1 serving in this bag. So for every 2 marshmallows, it's pretty much 0 carbs, I guess. And then it has collagen and MCT oil, and it looks like it has prebiotic fiber in here too. Nice. This is the last product for the Keto Krate for May. So this is a sugar-free cookie mix from Pure. So Pure, the company Pure, they make a sweetener out of erythritol, I believe. And I actually bought the sweetener before, and it's actually really good. But this is look like a chocolate chip cookie mix. And it's gluten-free, high in fiber, keto friendly. And it looks like for every serving, let me see, there's 16 total carbs, there's 7 grams of fiber, which puts you at what, 9, I guess. And 4 grams of erythritol, which puts you at 5. So I want to say it's 5 net carbs per serving, and pretty much 1 serving is about 2 cookies. So pretty much if you make it for the directions here, for every 2 cookies, it's 5 net carbs and 130 calories. So definitely you do not want to gorge on these. Like, you don't want to go home and bake the whole batch and eat the whole batch, because 2 cookies is 5 carbs, which is going to put you like, so if you eat 4 cookies, that's 10 carbs. You eat 8 cookies, that's 20 carbs total, and now you done ate all your carbs for the day. However, these will be a really good treat. Now, in comparison to regular cookies, I don't know, regular cookies, I have no idea how much carbs in it. Probably a lot more than 5. I'm hella lot more. So this could be a really good alternative for someone who really likes cookies, likes to bake. I'm definitely gonna give it a try. I love baking. I bake all the time. I bake keto bagels, I bake keto bread, I make keto pizza, I make keto coffee drinks. It's just like my thing. It's my thing. So that's what I do. Hey guys, totally forgot to mention that I'm actually doing a Keto Krate giveaway. That's right. 1 person is going to get their own Keto Krate sent right to their door for absolutely free, okay? All you have to do is 1, be a subscriber on YouTube. 2, you're going to follow me and you're going to follow Keto Krate on Instagram. And 3, just comment down below with something that you saw that you really wanted to try that's in the Keto Krate. Make sure when you comment though that you include your Instagram handle so I can check to make sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube and my Instagram. But that's all you have to do to get 1 free box sent right to your door, okay guys? So go ahead, make sure you leave a really good comment, and yeah, get ready to get your Keto Krate, maybe, perhaps. So that is everything in my Keto Krate for May. So like I said, if you really want like to simplify your keto life and just get keto snacks delivered to your door every month, go ahead and join the Keto Krate subscription. My discount code gets you $10 off of your first box, guys. You can't beat that, and the link is in the description. Also, guys, if you enjoyed this video, if you are keto, if you're trying to live a healthy lifestyle, if you want really great follow along workouts, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Would love to have you be a part of the tribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.